Alright, so welcome guys to another sound test, and we now have the Helios versus the HD600. So I thought of using the HD600 as a reference point in this price range because it's one of my favorites. So the Helios, I did review it, and it's a bright V kind of headphone, and of course it will be a little bit more fun compared to your HD600. But of course, which one is for you? Let's find out in this review. And of course, if you want to get one, use my links from Hi-Fi Go below. So let's start the sound test now.
Say you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.